Hello, everyone, to the first ever attempted dialogue between the primary virtual version of me and my actual physical presence in the real world. Welcome to the Matrix and welcome to the Group Fellow podcast session in the Strategy Fellow Lounge at the Insights 2025.
Thank you as well, dear virtual version of me. So hello, everyone, and let's see what story you want to share with us. I mean, you and me, we represent Time to Act Group. So without going into any details on the company history and the organizational setup, what is Time to Act all about? Maybe you can give me a little bit of background information here. You can take it from here. Please, go.
Time to Act Group is all about driving digital innovation and operational excellence for and with our customers.
Okay, that came quick and absolutely unscripted. Let me go through my notes. Okay, let's challenge you a bit. What does this actually mean, that Time to Act Group drives innovation, operational excellence?
Good question. Time to Act Group empowers organizations to innovate and perform at their best. We help clients design and implement new digital business models, adopt cutting-edge technologies like AI, cloud, and low-code, and develop IT strategies that unlock long-term value. At the same time, we ensure operational excellence by modernizing IT landscapes, improving processes, and implementing strong governance frameworks. From secure infrastructure to agile workflows, from compliance to continuous improvement, we create the foundation for scalable, efficient, and future-ready operations. Our approach is holistic and hands-on, strategic, technological, and operational, all aligned to our customers' goals. We don't just advise, we build, we operate, we optimize. The result, measurable impact through smarter innovation and stronger execution.
Let's sum it up. It's not just talk the talk, but actually walk the walk, right? Okay, slow down a bit. On this slide, it says digital innovation was, is, and will remain the driver for competitiveness, growth, and prosperity.
Sure, the statement is as it is. Let's take a moment to reflect on what this truly means. Digital innovation is not just a phrase, a somewhat fuzzy idea. It is the engine powering every competitive advantage. It determines who leads, who adapts, and who is left behind. In a world where change is constant and expectations shift overnight, companies must move faster, think smarter, and deliver better. Digital tools, from AI to automation, from cloud to data, are no longer futuristic. They are fundamental. But this isn't just about technology. It's about mindset. It's about embracing complexity and turning it into clarity. It's about being bold enough to rethink what's possible and brave enough to act. Those who invest in digital innovation invest in agility, resilience, and sustainable growth. It's how we build smarter businesses, empower people, and unlock prosperity for tomorrow. So let's lead, let's innovate, let's shape the future. Because digital innovation isn't just the key to success, it's the spark that keeps progress alive.
And Time to Act is helping customers to seize the opportunity of digital innovation. I love the name, by the way. Pretty clear mission statement.
When we say time to act is a call to action, we mean this. It's time to challenge the status quo. It's time to rethink how we create value, serve customers, and operate in a digital-first world. It's time to seize the opportunities that digital innovation offers, not someday, but now. Our offer is simple. We guide organizations on their path to transformation. Whether it's through smart data, modern IT architectures, agile business models, or resilient operations, we empower companies to act with purpose and vision. This is your moment. This is your momentum. It's time to act.
So time to act, in other words, let's go. But can you get a bit clearer on how that call to action affects the way we work?
When we say time to act is our mentality and our aspiration, we express who we are and how we work every day.
There's this word, care.
Yes, we definitely care about people, relationships, and outcomes. We listen, we empathize, and we act responsibly as partners, not just providers.
And then drive.
We drive change with passion and expertise. We are proactive, curious, and committed to pushing digital boundaries for our clients and ourselves.
Last but not least, I see deliver.
We don't just deliver. We deliver with reliability and precision. We turn complexity into clarity and ideas into results, always focused on creating real value.
Having such a mindset really stands out, I would say.
It's this mindset that fuels our actions. It's this aspiration that guides our growth. Time to Act is not just our name, it's our promise.
Okay, another slide, and from the header I can take that this slide should help to understand of how the strategy fellows work. Since I'm a strategy fellow, I should know the answer for this one.
I think the audience has more than just this one question. You are probably asking yourself why the program exists, what we believe, and how we act as strategy fellows.
You're right. I almost forgot that we're not alone. So let me add this to the question. Where we were talking about strategy and digital innovation. From your perspective, how do you move from digital ambition to actual measurable impact?
Let me rephrase your question. What does it take to turn digital ambition into real measurable progress? The answer to this also addresses the question of why this program exists. At Time to Act Group, we believe the answer lies in strategy, but not strategy as a static document or annual ritual. Instead, strategy must be living, adaptive, executable. And that's where the strategy fellows come in.
So who are the strategy fellows? There are other peoples walking around here with polo shirts that say "Follow me," and there are posters hanging all over the place with different faces. By the way, cool idea with the polo shirt slogan, right? "Follow me," I like that.
Thank you for your feedback. Sometimes even AI can produce something great, but I am drifting away. Where were we? Oh yes, your question. The strategy fellows are a dedicated team of experts who work at the intersection of business, technology, data, and people. We are thinkers and doers, visionaries and architects. Our mission is clear. We help organizations design and execute strategies that unlock the full potential of digital innovation and turn it into business value.
Well, executable, this also sounds like a buzzword. When you say executable strategies, what does this actually mean?
Good question. What makes a strategy truly executable? We believe it must be rooted in real-world challenges and opportunities. That's why we work side by side with our customers to understand their unique context, their goals, constraints, customers, and culture. Together, we craft digital strategies that are pragmatic, agile, and aligned with both current capabilities and future aspirations. We cover all strategic domains, from business model innovation, data and AI readiness, IT architecture modernization, to governance, sourcing, and change leadership. Because in the real world, these elements don't live in silos. They connect, they influence one another, and they must move in harmony.
All of this sounds like a great approach, but I have seen quite a few companies failing in their attempt to transform their organization, their processes, their products and services. It's not that easy, right?
You are right. Quite a few organizations struggle with digital transformation. Often, it's not a lack of ideas, it's the lack of clarity on what to do first, how to measure success, and how to ensure alignment across teams. The strategy fellows bring structure to this complexity. We help organizations prioritize, focus, and act.
And how do we do this? Do we have a magic recipe, a super-powered AI that only we have access to?
Yes to the AI. After all, we are communicating, right? But all jokes aside, I would say we ask the right questions. What should your digital strategy achieve within the next 2 to 3 years? How can your IT become a driver of agility, efficiency, and transparency? Where can data and AI truly create value, not just buzz? How can operational excellence be built into your transformation roadmap? And how can all of this be governed effectively while maintaining speed?
So what makes Time to Act Group and the Strategy Fellows unique? And also with the Strategy Fellows, not every project will run 100% perfect, right?
The strategy fellows are also just humans and therefore make mistakes. But where we think we are different from our competition is our mindset. We are not just advisors, we are enablers. We don't believe in one-size-fits-all PowerPoints. We build frameworks, co-create roadmaps, and stay until execution is on track. And above all, we bring passion, precision, and a shared ambition for excellence. We believe in executable strategies.
As always, the AIs are good at summarizing things. So what's the essence of the Strategy Fellows?
Strategy fellows means turning intent into impact, turning potential into performance. It's not just strategy, it's strategy that moves. Fellow us, or in other words, follow us.
Oh, thanks.
Now look at this good-looking fellow. This is me as a superhero. Do you see the similarities? A good-looking guy, right?
For sure, but what do superheroes do?
Well, superheroes save the day, just like the Time to Act Group strategy fellows or the Avengers or the Justice League. They don't just wait for things to happen. They save the day. For them, it is all about results, right?
And not about concepts? Maybe you can explain this a bit.
A good concept is great, but an implemented concept that creates benefits, drives value is 100 times better. Execution is key, and results matter.
But you also create slide decks, right?
We also create slide decks, but they are not our main deliverable. We understand our customers and work hand in hand with them to shape a technology strategy that transforms IT into a true enabler of innovation and value creation. Together, we define a roadmap that aligns IT capabilities with business goals, ensures scalability, and accelerates digital maturity. We also support our customers in designing data and AI strategies that unlock the potential of their data, making it actionable, secure, and ready for intelligent automation. This allows for better decisions, improved customer experiences, and measurable impact on performance and growth.
What would be your final words to the audience, and what should they take from this presentation?
My last words? I am the actual real person, you are not. Just kidding. You are the master, I am your digital supporter. So if you ask me what my final words would be, here is my call to action. So everyone in the room, listen carefully. This is a digital entity speaking. You need to obey. Now. Use of imminent force is inevitable. Okay. Sorry, this response was related to some old code fragments.
You drive me crazy. What is wrong with the software? I'll need to check later. Sorry for this issue.
Okay, here's the real call to action. No kidding around. Now is the time to act. You've seen the potential. You understand the challenges. And you've heard how strategy, technology, data, and governance must come together to create real change. The question is, what will you do next? Will you wait for the perfect moment, or will you help shape it? We invite you to take the next step. Start rethinking your digital strategy. Identify one area where IT can drive business value. Choose one challenge where data or AI can make a difference. Begin creating a roadmap that's not just visionary, but executable. The Time to Act group strategy. Fellows are here to support you as sparring partners, co-creators, and implementers.
Great.
Let's not just talk about transformation. Let's drive it with clarity, courage, and commitment. It's time to act. And your time is now. Please talk to my physical presence device if you have further questions.
What?
Sorry, Jan, cheap shot. Have fun and enjoy the rest of the event.